Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. The impact of low tire pressure, dragging brakes, and wheel alignment on rolling resistance. Excessive rolling resistance can lead to decreased fuel efficiency and increased wear on your vehicle's tires. Factors such as low tire pressure, dragging brakes, and misaligned wheels can all contribute to this issue. In this video, we will explore the impact of these factors on rolling resistance and provide tips for addressing them to improve the performance and longevity of your vehicle. Defining rolling resistance. Rolling resistance refers to the force that opposes the rolling motion of a tire. This force is caused by the deformation of the tire as it rolls, leading to energy loss and reduced fuel efficiency. It's a crucial concept to understand for anyone looking to optimize vehicle performance and fuel economy. Factors contributing to rolling resistance. Several factors contribute to rolling resistance, including tire pressure, tread design, and wheel alignment. Low tire pressure increases the contact area between the tire and the road, leading to higher rolling resistance. Likewise, an improper wheel alignment can cause uneven tire wear, resulting in increased rolling resistance. Additionally, a dragging brake can amplify rolling resistance, as it prevents the wheels from moving freely. By understanding these factors, vehicle owners can take proactive measures to minimize rolling resistance and improve overall efficiency. Consequences of excessive rolling resistance. Decreased fuel efficiency. Excessive rolling resistance can lead to decreased fuel efficiency in vehicles. When tires encounter high levels of rolling resistance due to low tire pressure, dragging brakes, or misaligned wheels, the engine must work harder to maintain speed. This increased workload for the engine results in higher fuel consumption, as more energy is required to propel the vehicle forward. As a consequence, drivers experience increased fuel costs, especially during long commutes or extended road trips, due to the inefficiencies caused by excessive rolling resistance. Accelerated tire wear. One of the consequences of excessive rolling resistance is accelerated tire wear. When tires face higher rolling resistance, they experience increased friction with the road surface, leading to faster wear and tear. This can manifest in uneven tread wear, reduced tire lifespan, and the need for more frequent tire replacements. Drivers may find themselves investing more time and money in tire maintenance and replacement, ultimately impacting their overall vehicle ownership costs. Impact on vehicle handling and performance. Excessive rolling resistance can significantly impact a vehicle's handling and performance. When tires encounter higher levels of resistance, it can affect the vehicle's stability and responsiveness on the road. This can lead to compromised handling, longer braking distances, and reduced overall performance, especially in adverse driving conditions. Drivers may notice decreased traction and agility, diminishing the overall driving experience and potentially compromising safety. By addressing the consequences of excessive rolling resistance, drivers can gain a better understanding of the importance of maintaining proper tire pressure, addressing dragging brakes, and ensuring wheel alignment. Understanding these impacts can empower individuals to prioritize regular maintenance and proactive measures to optimize their vehicle's efficiency, safety, and longevity. Effects of low tire pressure on rolling resistance. Driving with low tire pressure can result in increased rolling resistance, meaning the tires require more energy to move. This scenario negatively impacts fuel efficiency and overall vehicle performance. When tires are underinflated, a larger portion of the tire comes into contact with the road, causing increased friction and resistance. This results in the vehicle needing more power to propel forward, leading to higher fuel consumption and accelerated wear on the tires. Importance of proper tire inflation. Maintaining proper tire pressure is crucial for reducing rolling resistance and optimizing fuel efficiency. Properly inflated tires ensure that the optimal amount of the tire's surface area is in contact with the road, minimizing unnecessary friction. This not only helps in saving fuel but also extends tire lifespan and improves overall vehicle handling and safety. Additionally, it contributes to a smoother and more comfortable ride for passengers. How to monitor tire pressure. Regularly checking tire pressure is essential for optimal vehicle performance. This can be done using a tire pressure gauge, readily available at most gas stations and auto shops. It's recommended to check tire pressure at least once a month and before long road trips. Tire pressure should be measured when the tires are cool, as driving increases tire temperature and can affect pressure readings. Additionally, many modern vehicles are equipped with tire pressure monitoring systems, providing real-time updates on tire pressure levels. By keeping a close eye on tire pressure and ensuring it remains at the recommended level, drivers can effectively minimize rolling resistance, enhance fuel efficiency, and prolong the life of their tires. Dragging brakes and rolling resistance. Identifying symptoms of dragging brakes. When driving, if you notice a burning smell or feel a dragging sensation even when the brakes are not engaged, it could be a sign of dragging brakes. You might also hear unusual noises such as grinding or squeaking, indicating that the brakes are not fully releasing. Additionally, a decrease in fuel efficiency and uneven wear on the brake pads might suggest the presence of this issue. Impact of dragging brakes on rolling resistance. Dragging brakes can significantly increase rolling resistance, leading to decreased fuel efficiency and overall vehicle performance. The friction caused by the dragging brakes creates unnecessary strain on the wheels, requiring more energy to keep the vehicle moving. This increase in rolling resistance not only affects fuel economy but also puts a strain on the braking system, potentially leading to further damage if left unaddressed. Maintenance and repair of braking system. Regular maintenance of the braking system is crucial to prevent dragging brakes and minimize rolling resistance. This includes checking the brake fluid levels, inspecting the brake pads and rotors for wear, and ensuring proper lubrication of the caliper slides and brake hardware. If dragging brakes are suspected, it is essential to have the braking system inspected by a qualified technician. Repairs may involve freeing up stuck calipers, replacing worn-out components, or addressing issues with the brake hydraulics to restore optimal functionality. Prompt attention to dragging brakes can help mitigate the impact on rolling resistance and maintain the overall efficiency of the vehicle. Wheel alignment and rolling resistance. Wheel alignment plays a crucial role in the overall performance and efficiency of a vehicle. When it comes to rolling resistance, the alignment of the wheels can significantly impact the amount of effort required to keep the vehicle moving. Understanding the role of wheel alignment. Proper wheel alignment ensures that the wheels are perpendicular to the ground and parallel to each other. This allows for an even distribution of weight and smooth movement, reducing unnecessary friction and resistance. Effects of misaligned wheels on rolling resistance. Misaligned wheels can lead to uneven tire wear and increased rolling resistance. When the wheels are not properly aligned, the tires can drag instead of rolling smoothly, resulting in a higher demand for energy to propel the vehicle forward. Importance of regular wheel alignment checks. Regular wheel alignment checks are essential to minimize rolling resistance and maximize fuel efficiency. By ensuring that the wheels are properly aligned, drivers can reduce the amount of energy needed to keep the vehicle in motion, ultimately saving on fuel costs and extending the lifespan of the tires. By keeping the wheels in proper alignment, drivers can experience smoother rides, better fuel economy, and reduced wear and tear on their tires. In closing, excessive rolling resistance caused by low tire pressure, dragging brakes, and improper wheel alignment can significantly impact the performance and fuel efficiency of a vehicle. Addressing these issues promptly through regular maintenance and inspections is crucial in ensuring optimal vehicle operation and safety. By maintaining proper tire pressure, addressing dragging brakes, and ensuring correct wheel alignment, drivers can not only improve fuel economy but also enhance the overall driving experience. Regular monitoring and maintenance of these factors will contribute to the longevity and efficiency of the vehicle, ultimately saving time and money in the long run. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.